NVH in Car. It stands for noise, vibration, and harshness, and is basically a measure of how much unpleasant oral and tactile feedback the car delivers as you drive. So, what does NVH actually mean? Put simply, the noise is what you can hear, the vibration is what you can feel, and the harshness is how much of an effect thumps, bumps, noise, and vibration have on the cabin and its occupants. Removing and isolating passengers from NVH is a field that's seen monumental advances over the past few decades. Originally, the preserve of the most luxurious marks, and an acronym that was only discussed by premium brands. NVH reduction is a global push, spurred on by consumers who want increasing insulation from the environment they're driving through, perhaps to avoid the sound of other humans ruffling. Today, we even expect sporty convertibles to be NVH minimal. This presents a quandary for engineers. Traditional sound and vibration deadening material adds weight, which can spoil acceleration, handling, and fuel economy. So they've had to come up with lighter and more effective methods than the traditional bit of tar paper. In some cases, technology that offers a better drive can also offer a quieter ride. Unfortunately, it doesn't come cheaply. What causes NVH? Noise, vibration, and harshness are caused by the car's mechanical and electrical systems, as well as the car's interaction with road surfaces and its passage through the air. The main sources of NVH in a car are its engine, drivetrain, and tires, as well as the sound of airflow along its body. Tires are a huge source of noise. We love a good engine note or exhaust burble. Undesirable mechanical sounds and vibrations can emanate from a car's oily bits, such as a howling radiator fan, a shuddering when idling at traffic lights, or a harsh, winds-inducing thump from a pothole. Tires are a huge source of noise due to vibrations created by their rotation, which then travel along the suspension mounts and into the cabin. Low-profile tires, found on sportier cars, tend to transmit more vibration through the suspension, because the tighter, stiffer rubber can't absorb as much. Wide tires are more susceptible due to a larger contact patch, but the soft, wide tread patterns of off-road tires are the worst offenders. Airflow over the car's body causes quite a bit of noise, especially at higher speeds and in large cars with the aerodynamic properties of a shipping container. Any interruptions of the air faces in its journey across the car, such as aerials, roof racks, and door mirrors, are rewarded with howling, whipping, or buzzing noises in the cabin. So, how do you reduce NVH? Canceling out NVH comes down to three basic principles: reducing it at the source, isolating it from the car's main structure, and absorbing as much as possible before it enters the cabin. The first, if not the easiest, way to reduce NVH is to curb the number and volume of the sounds, vibrations and shocks produced in the first place. Aerodynamics, for instance, play a huge part in the amount of noise. As air flows over the car body, any disturbances in its path create vibrations of the air particles, which is how sound is transmitted.